How to Make Money Online from Home in 2025. A realistic guide for beginners in 2025. Making money online is a reality. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, student, or seeking to escape the 9-to-5 grind, the internet is full of opportunities. But not all methods are equal. Let's explore 15 legitimate ways to earn money online this year. With remote work booming and AI tools enhancing productivity, now is the perfect time to earn online. You control your hours, rates, and location. Imagine working from a beach. Why make money online in 2025? The job market has changed. Is earning a full-time income possible? Absolutely. You can find roles in writing, customer service, and more. Many people earn between $1,000 and $10,000 monthly. But remember, it takes effort and consistency. Let's dive into how you can achieve this. Popular freelance skills include graphic design, copywriting, and web development. Start on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. 1. Freelancing. Use a blog or social media to promote your links. If you have a skill, people will pay for it. 2. Remote job platforms. Platforms like Teachable and Thinkific allow you to earn passive income by selling your courses. For job stability while working from home, check sites like FlexJobs and We Work Remotely. 3. Start a blog. Blogging is still viable. You can monetize through ads, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products. Choose a niche topic you're passionate about. 4. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products and earn a commission. Top networks include Amazon Associates and ShareSale. Focus on quality and branding to attract customers. 5. Online courses. If you have knowledge to share, create an online course. 6. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube is a major platform for earning. Focus on valuable or entertaining content. Revenue sources include ad revenue and sponsorships. 7. Virtual assistant sites like User Testing pay around $10 per test. Businesses need help with various tasks. As a virtual assistant, you could manage emails or schedule appointments. Rates can range from $15 to $50 per hour. 8. Sell digital products. Consider creating digital products like printable planners or Canva templates, which can be sold on Etsy or your website. 9. Drop shipping. Set up an online store and market products without holding inventory. Yes, with the right tools and dedication, it's achievable. Start small, choose a method that resonates, and build from there. Your side hustle could turn into your full-time gig. 10. Print on demand. Create custom items like shirts and mugs. Services like Printful handle printing and shipping for you. 11. Stock photography. If you have a knack for photography, sell your images on platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. 12. Website testing. Get paid to test websites and provide feedback. 13. Online surveys. Participate in surveys for extra cash. Legit sites include Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. 14. Coaching services. If you excel in a field, consider offering coaching. Popular niches include fitness and business coaching. 15. Invest online. Investing in stocks or crypto is easier than ever, but remember to only invest what you can afford to lose. Conclusion: can you make money online from home in 2025? So, is subscribing worth it? Absolutely. Whether it's for exclusive content, an ad-free experience, or supporting your favorite creators, there are plenty of reasons to hit that subscribe button. Subscribing helps support the channel and allows us to keep making great videos. It's free and easy to do. Just click the subscribe button and you're all set. You can always change your mind later. As a subscriber, you'll be the first to know when we release new content. We often have sneak peeks and behind-the-scenes footage that subscribers can see before anyone else. You'll also get to vote on the next topics we cover and have direct access to our team. Plus, You'll be joining a community of like-minded individuals who are just as passionate about this stuff as you are. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.